During free time, what do? The children have left out of the nest. You are alone with your partner probably, or you're single. For me, I do gardening as well. As you've seen. There are no more responsibilities. I have a lot of time on my hands. If I'm not walking, to strengthen my muscles and stamina.
Now,
Yo,
you left the door open again.
again.
You see?
Okay, that cat, I hope it doesn't come out. And I find gardening, apart from relaxation as well, it saves the pocket. It saves me money from going to the supermarket and buying vegetables every time. They are very original and suited to my taste. This year we planted vegetables, and unfortunately the wind was so much, it killed everything, man. Then we grieved for a while, then we dusted ourselves, went back to Bunnings, got some seedlings and planted. I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that for the second time, it's gonna grow. You always don't give up. You fight until you win.